Horsepower helps satisfy the need for speed and can add a little fun to the daily commute. But over time, carbon buildup can cause engines to lose peak power output. Unacceptable. AMSOIL P.i is a deep cleaning performance improver that aggressively cleans stubborn, power-robbing deposits from your vehicle's engine to help restore horsepower. We set out to demonstrate the power of P.i through third-party testing using a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado with 100,616 miles on the odometer. Prior to treatment with P.i, the truck was run on a dyno and measured for horsepower output. The 5.3-liter gasoline direct injection engine was then disassembled, photographed, and reassembled. After a single tank of fuel treated with P.i, driving at highway speeds, the truck was strapped back to the dyno. It measured an astounding 14% improvement in horsepower. The engine was disassembled once again to measure P.i.'s effect on deposits. AMSOIL P.i cleaned deposits from vital areas, restoring peak horsepower and performance. Give your engine the power boost it deserves by ordering P.i now